Hi guys, it's Attorney Bridgette Domingos here with another edition of your Domingos Dime. So I know typically when I'm doing these Domingos Dimes, I'm here giving you some small piece of advice or just something that you can look out for, more common sense advice than anything else, if I'm being honest. But someone recently commented and told me that they would like to get to know me a little better and what it is that got me into doing what I'm doing, especially criminal defense, because that's really my passion. So what really got me into criminal defense was that I saw a lot of people as I was growing up that, I guess, for lack of a better way to put it, they were impacted by the system, right? I saw a lot of homes that didn't have parents, a lot of people being raised by family members, things of that nature. And as a young child, I didn't really understand why. I knew I wanted to be a lawyer, did not know that was my calling. So I ended up being a teacher for several years. I taught middle school, actually, which was a great experience, probably one of the best experiences of my life. And one of the things about teaching that I think correlates really well to law is that when I was in that classroom, I treated each child with compassion, respect, you name it. And I think in turn, that's why I got the respect back from them and I got the work product they produced. And I think all of that goes hand in hand in building those relationships, building people up, no different than when we're talking about the criminal justice system, especially. Usually when someone's been arrested or accused of a crime, you're at a low point in life. People are automatically assuming you did it without really having anything to go on. Like, you know how the system's supposed to be designed where you're innocent until proven guilty. Well, we see time and time again, almost every single day, that that's simply not the case. People will decide your guilt, they will decide your fate without ever knowing a single fact of your case. And that's unfortunate. So one of the things I try and do as an attorney is I try and let my clients know that they're bigger than whatever it is they've been accused of. They're bigger than whatever it is someone's saying they did. Because if they're innocent, if they're not guilty, if there's a stone to be turned, then we're going to turn it. Because at the end of the day, we want to just level that playing field. That's our goal in the end of all of this. Are all of my clients innocent? Absolutely not. Do some of them come and straight up tell me that they're not innocent? They do. And in situations like that, we're trying to make the best of a bad situation. People are human. People make mistakes. None of us are above second chances. None of us are above grace. So at the end of the day, it's easy to sit back and judge others, say what you would and would not do. But if you or your family were impacted or accused of something, then you'd want somebody like me on your team. So again, that's why I do what I do. I love what I do. I'm good at what I do. And I think the passion behind it is something that you can't create. Either you have it or you don't. And here at Domingos Law, we definitely have it. So again, like everything else, I always tell you, when in doubt, call Domingos Law. Thanks, guys.